Tell me more about the working of the brain and the cause of a blackout or a mental block.
Sure. The shortest version. You see, the main instinct of human beings is the instinct of survival. And nature is helping us by providing an element to strengthen us when we are in danger. And that's adrenaline. It gives us extra power to fight or to flee. So when you're frightened, the moving parts of your brain get extra oxygen, and adrenaline is transported by the oxygen in your blood. And therefore there's not enough oxygen left for the thinking part. It means in fear you cannot think straight anymore, and that's your blackout.
Okay, but what can you do about it?
Well, let's go back to the fear of repetition. That's a strong unconscious thought which also provides adrenaline. And this means the real cause of your stress are specific negative thoughts. So it's all about consciously influencing and changing your thoughts. And this is the science of neuroplasticity. And I gratefully use this science.
Now I'm curious about the next step. What would you do?
Of course. At this point, I draw the vicious circle of the Daredevils method. It's like a clock with 4 points, 12, 3, 6 and 9, and it's a vicious circle, you see? On top at 12 o'clock we write down the situation where the stress is coming up. It could be a test, could be an exam, could be a presentation or a match, whatever. And at 6 o'clock we write down the adrenaline, which leads to the blockade. We know that already. And the stress. And now let's have a look at this point, 3 o'clock. Because here is the real cause of the adrenaline and the blockade. And that's a thought, the worst thought. And the method is about changing these thoughts very specifically in specific steps into a better one. Because then you lower your adrenaline and you can get rid of the blockade and the stress. And this means stepping out according to the Daredevils method.